Hi, Voitenko Wellness, family, friends, patients. I wanted to jump on, it's Dr. Amber, and talk about anti-inflammatory plans. So some of you may know that a lot of times patients come in that have gas, bloating, irritability, IBS, gluten intolerance, autoimmune disease, many different types of autoimmune disease. And so we do what is called gut repairs. And when we're doing this, it's very specific on what the patient is going to be eating. So a lot of times we take the patient off of things such as dairy, gluten. We'll take patients off of alcohol, caffeine, and other types of foods that can cause allergies to the body, even though the person might not know that that's what's happening with their body. This way we bring down the inflammation in the gut, and then with using a specific formula, we actually help to repair the gut, and along with a probiotic, and then some other things that have to do with bacteria, parasites, and the like. So anyway, we have great gut repairs and we have great autoimmune plans. So reach out if you know someone who has symptoms or you yourself, and we can help. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.